So I'm trying to get more subscribers. So I'm making a sew with me video. My projects might not be perfect. Do I really care? No. My projects currently are just for me. I'm still working on learning. If you want to see more videos, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and come join me on my sewing journey. I have no background music, but I am trying to learn to quilt. Again, projects aren't perfect, because progress, not perfection, is what matters. I'm just quilting any old way. Doesn't really matter to me. Yeah, I'm going to stop that because that's getting hung up on that loose material. There we go. On the back stitch, I'm going to stop. My needle cutter, thread cutter, sorry. Raise press foot, and I'm going to do it again. Let's see. Let's go over here and do some more crisscrosses. As I said, not perfect, but I'm doing it. I'm actually making this bag for me. I've got 3 birthdays I wanted to make for. 2 would be late birthday parties or birthday gifts. And 1 is a coming up birthday. This is just a tote. I say just a tote. Oops. I forgot to use my thread cutter. Sometimes I forget I have the fancy one. Okay. And let's do another cross hatch. Again, the quilting is not going to be perfect. What matters is I'm attempting to try. As long as you put forth an effort on everything you do, and you're at least trying to accomplish something, you're going to eventually accomplish something. Sometimes life doesn't always hand you everything that you want to hand you at the right moment. God has plans for you. You just have to have patience. Use your thread cutter. And just remember, you can do it. You can do whatever you put your mind to. If anyone's wondering what kind of machine I'm using, this is a Janome Skyline S3 Anniversary Edition. And up here is my thread. I don't mark my lines. Basically playing guessing game. But I don't care. I have tons of fabric. My foam I'm using is flex foam. It was supposed to be fusible, but apparently I didn't buy the correct kind. I have some Soft and Stable by Annie. Threads are going to drive me nuts. So, if you're wondering what channel you are watching, this is My Little Sewing Shed. I am not doing this as a business. This is strictly a hobby for now. And we're just going with the flow. Huh. Okay, I really should have had a different thread. Alright, well this is just a quick video. I might put this out as a short. Nah, I'll add it as a video. Please like, subscribe, share. That's the one word I always forget to say, is to share my content. And just keep putting forth the effort, y'all. I'm new to sewing. Haven't really done much. All I'm doing here is taking my quilting foot bar and holding on to it to where it can catch the fabric. Again, hitting my back stitch, which I really don't have to. It's not going to be perfect, and I don't want to be perfect. Nothing in life is ever perfect. When you quilt something, this is supposed to be a 15 by 15 tote. So when you quilt something, it shrinks it. Not bad, if you can see it. It is white on white. Not a very good angle. Alright guys, have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you can be notified when my videos come up. I'm trying to do at least a couple of videos a week. This is what you're going to get for now. Have a great one. Don't forget to share the video. Have a great day.